Mattson Mini Loaders was established after years of involvement with both manufacturing and contracting side of the mini-skid steer loader industry. We have a unique knowledge of machine operation and our competitors' machines. We have used this knowledge as a huge advantage in our development, with careful attention to consumer feedback and competitors' technical and service shortfalls. Our aim is to provide our customers with big power in anywhere products and support they need to run their businesses to their maximum capacity with the best products available. The Mattson Compact Utility Loader is an innovative machine that reduces the costs of performing key tasks and the process of improving the environments in which people live and work. Developed to replace hand labor, the Mattson provides a cost-effective, terrain-friendly solution for landscapers, irrigation contractors, plumbers, electricians, and property owners as they dig, trench, till, auger, place materials, and perform a multitude of other tasks. Mattson equipment has 5 model series available: ML525, ML525L, ML525W, ML530, and ML550. All product has passed CE and EPA certificate. The products has been exported to Europe, North America, and Asia. The machine built to handle a full complement of more than 50 universal attachments. The Mattson standard quick attach system enables the user to quickly and easily switch from a bucket to forks to auger or other tools for optimum on-the-job flexibility and bottom-line performance. We are waiting for your visiting.